If you're seeing Premiere Pro error code 6, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly what it means and how to fix it step by step. This error is usually a variation of the error compiling movie message, and it's often caused by a write error, a file header issue, or a problem during the final stages of export. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix it without reinstalling Premiere Pro or losing your project. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more fast Premiere Pro fixes and editing tips. Let's jump in. First, check your disk space and export location. Error code 6 is often caused by Premiere Pro failing to write the file to the destination drive, so your storage setup is the first thing to inspect. Make sure your destination drive has at least double the estimated file size available. If your export is going to a folder with a very long path, shorten it. Also avoid special characters like hashtag, %, or asterisk in the file name or folder name because those can trigger export issues. If you're exporting to an external drive, cloud-synced folder, Dropbox, or OneDrive, try exporting directly to your desktop first. That simple change often fixes the problem right away. Next, switch to software encoding. Sometimes the issue comes from a conflict between the GPU and the exporter, especially if hardware acceleration is struggling during the final render. To do this, go to your Export tab, then under Video and Encoding Settings, change Performance from Hardware Encoding to Software Encoding. This forces Premiere Pro to export using the CPU instead of the GPU, which can bypass the error completely. If the export works after that, you've confirmed the issue was hardware-related. Now let's clear the media cache. Corrupted cache files can absolutely cause compilation errors, especially when Premiere tries to pull old preview data into the final export. To do this, go to Edit, then Preferences, then Media Cache. Click Delete and choose Delete all media cache files from the system. This gives Premiere Pro a clean start and removes any broken cache data that may be interfering with your export. After clearing the cache, restart Premiere Pro and try exporting again. If that still doesn't fix it, change the video preview format. Sometimes the preview files used during export are in a format that becomes unstable or incompatible. Go to Sequence, then Sequence Settings. Under Video Previews, change the format from Microsoft AVI to iframe-only MPEG, or if available, QuickTime using an Apple ProRes 422 LT codec. This can make the preview pipeline more stable and reduce export failures caused by bad preview files. Finally, identify the problem segment. If your export keeps failing at the same percentage every single time, that's a big clue that one section of the timeline contains a corrupted clip, a bad frame, or an effect that Premiere Pro can't compile properly. Note the timecode where the export stops, then go to that exact spot in your timeline. Try nesting the clips by right-clicking and selecting Nest. If that doesn't help, remove heavy effects like Warp Stabilizer, or temporarily disable third-party plugins to see if the export completes. You can also try cutting around that section and exporting again to identify the exact cause. In many cases, one of these steps will solve Premiere Pro error code 6 immediately. Start with disk space and export location, then move to software encoding, clear the media cache, adjust your preview format, and isolate the problem segment if needed. That process will save you a lot of time and frustration. If this video helped you fix the error, give it a like, subscribe for more Premiere Pro troubleshooting guides, and comment below if you want help with another export error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.